In this video, we will show you how to create a WhatsApp link. To create WhatsApp link, you can read the full documentation on the Help Center of WhatsApp. To create link, it's very easy. You can use this shortened URL of WhatsApp and include your phone number, but without the plus code or country code like this. We can just directly type our country code and follow by our number. And let's here we will show you how to create this link. For example, you have the number like this, and this is your country code in United States. You don't use plus like this, but directly 1 followed by your number, and like this, and continue to jot. And you can use WhatsApp web. You can log in into WhatsApp in etc. Of course, you can also using a pre-filled message like this. Okay, then this is the text with I am in here, and this code it's mean space, and this is interested, and this is space in this is your car for sale. Okay, for full documentation, you can just read the FAQ of WhatsApp in the Help Center. I put link in the video description and pinned comments. You can get there. Hope this video helpful for you.